Hi friend, welcome back. So today we're gonna do a replacement for the fuel pump on a 2007 Mazda 6S. So the fuel pump is below the passenger seat. So you have to remove the rear seat out. So there is a two latch, so you gotta pull towards you, then you have to pull up the rear seat. Eventually you're gonna see a latch. I'm gonna show it to you later. So once the rear seat out, so then you are be able to access the fuel pump. So the challenging is first you have to release that latch, then you can pull the rear cushion out. By the way, if you are a member of this community, I also have a course that shows you how to maintain your car or truck. It's really simple. It is a step-by-step system, and if you have any question regarding about your car repair, I also answer your question too. So the link is down in the description. So you see that little metal panel right there? There are 4 screws that holding that thing down. So you have to remove the whole 4 screw before you remove that fuel pump panel. So this is a clip I'm talking about right here. See the latch right there? You pull towards you, then you pull the seat up, then the seat will come right out. So the fuse panel right there, fuel pump panel. So once you remove the panel, and here is the fuel pump. So you have to pull that green clip towards you about 90 degrees, then you're gonna pull right out just like that. So that clip is really I really like that clip. It's so easy to pull right out. At first it's kind of hard if you don't know how that thing works. So that green clip, you pull 90 degrees until it stops, then you pull the clips right out, and that fuel feeding line. So make sure you disconnect all of your electric connector. Then you're gonna use your punch or a some dull punch. So I think there is a tool for this, but I didn't bother looking for one, so I just use a punch and get that ring out. And before you remove that ring, so make sure you clean out the surrounding area so that doesn't all the dirt doesn't get into the fuel tank. As you can see right there, I spray some brake cleaner and use the air to blow some dirt out, so make it a little bit cleaner, so easy to work with, and no more dirt gonna go into the fuel tank. So don't use the chisel that has a rear sharp point on it. It will break that collar, the collar fuel pump ring. So just making sure you have a dull punch. And don't use the circular punch too, okay? So right there, that's my dull punch right there. So you're gonna punching it counterclockwise. So make sure you replace the O-ring. So most fuel pump come with the new O-ring, so make sure you install the new one. Always install the new O-ring, okay? So once the O-ring you install, then you're gonna put the fuel pump in, and make sure you put on the right direction. So as you can see the arrow right there, my thumb at, and it should be pointing forward, and there is a groove on the fuel pump, so it should match with the right there. See that where my finger pointing at? That's the groove right there. So it should be matching and perfectly sit into that groove. Then you're gonna put your collar ring on, and make sure you don't lose that clip right there, the feeding line. That's what holding the fuel line together. So this one's a bit tricky to put it on, so you have to put it in making sure your arrow pointing forward and push down the fuel pump. Then you're gonna slowly turn the collar. Slowly turn. Luckily this collar is really easy to turn compared to the other fuel pump. Alright guys, so that is all I have for you guys today. You can watch this video next, and I will see you next time. Alright, Luke is out.